So guys, we have awesome things. Now it's gonna be a part thing, and I'm not gonna know how long the video is. So if there's a slight delay, just tell me in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe and like for more videos. So look what we have. We have a Flygon EX, huge card. See, look, here's Flygon EX. Here's another card from my 100 pack opening. Because I'm just opening 100 packs. Because I just bought 100 packs. And I just took everything out of the package. So we're going to turn it on high so I can actually see. Yeah. So, we're going to start off simple. Hold on, let me set up my camera. Let's set my camera up. I'm trying to set it somewhere so I don't have to touch it. It's just good. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Got it. Boom. So we have, oh, wrong way. We have a snub, a special magma, a special double magma energy, a hollow float stone. This Pokemon card, this Pokemon, let me start again. The Pokemon card this is attached to has no retreat cost. Charger, I'm using it. A hollow Hitmonchan, Bullet Punch, and Match Cross.
Here.
Bravery.
Okay. I'm just making sure I'm not seeing them somewhere.
No, turn that back on.
I'm sorry.
Turn it back on.
Sorry.
Hold on, guys. Okay. Never mind. We're good. Bravery Hollow. 100 HP. Cottony. Swaddle. Ooh, a legendary Jirachi. A fighting stadium. Note, I'm doing this on my phone, so it might not have good quality. A Metagross. Pretty good. Well, I'm getting this set. A Cloyster. Nice, nice. A Lotad. Not bad. A Fire Energy. Go. Professor's Ladder. Pokeball. Parasect. Oh, I forgot to show you it. It's 100 HP. It's just a Parasect. I don't know why a Parasect has that much HP. Let me set it up right. Tell me if you can see that. I just squished my phone. I'm just trying to get this video. A Water Energy. I'm trying to get rid of it. Yeah, Water Energy. And Electabuzz. See it? I'm gonna zoom in. Electabuzz. Oh. Sorry, I dropped it. Electabuzz. Parasect. Well, this is a hollow pair. Oh. Sorry if you couldn't see the Electabuzz. Hollow Parasect. A grass bayonet. Well, sorry, bayonet. Bayonets are cool. Bayonets are the best. Piplup. Grimer. A lightning energy. We've got a few more to go. I'm just gonna show you the card. You may or may not know who it is. I'm gonna let you see it. And yeah, that's our 6-minute quarter of the video. So I hope you liked it, guys. And bye. See you in part 2.